Hello everyone, welcome to the Multi-Value Visual University. In this video, I will show you an early preview of our new product, Rocket MV Basic for Visual Studio. Please note, the demo in the video is still under development and is only used to show our ideas. The design and interaction logic may be changed in the future. I am Yunpu, a software engineer in Rocket Software. I'm very excited to have this chance to show you our product and ideas, and we really want to hear your feedback and suggestions. There are two parts in this demo. Firstly, I will show you some base features and functionalities with a simple basic program. Then I will show you how our product works in a browser and makes our daily development life cool. Now let's start. This is the GUI of the VS Code. I have installed our product and you can find its icon at the sidebar. Click this icon to activate the extension. Now we need to add a universal server. Click the Add button and enter the server's address. I use the localhost as the UV server address. Then you could add a label for the server. Next, connect to the UV server. Input your username and password. OK, connection established. Now expand the root node. All accounts folders will be displayed. Let's expand the XDemo account and open the BP folder. Normally, basic programs are stored in this folder. You can see the comments are highlighted. Now let's input some content. All the strings are highlighted. Keyword print is highlighted too. Also, you can see the auto-completion of keyword print. Now, let's try some other statements. When programming, you may suddenly forget the grammar of a function or statement. What is the usage of this function? How many arguments of that statement? What is the grammar of this command? All these problems will not trouble you by using our product. You can see when typing a statement, the detailed documentation will appear. When hover the pointer to the statement, you could also refer the document. The document contains the detailed description of a statement or a function. It will make your development work more convenient. Next, let's see how to fold a subroutine or a function. Let's write a subroutine first. Move the pointer here. You can see a fold icon. Just click. a very long subroutine will be folded. This also works for if, read, open, and other statements. Okay, that's all for the base features and functionalities. Next, let's see how our product works in the browser. Because the development language of VS Code extension is JavaScript or TypeScript, the extensions are web-friendly. In this demo, I will use an open-source web IDE named Sira, which is compatible with VS Code's extension. I have already set up the environment and installed our extension. Now let's start the web server first. The web server has been started successfully. Here is the IP address and the port number. Now let's open the browser and enter the IP address and the port number. Look, the GUI is similar with VS Code, and the interaction logic is almost the same. Let's activate the basic extension again. Add a universe server first. I still use the localhost as the server's address. Then connect it. Open a basic program file. Let's input some content. You can see the auto-completion and the keywords highlighting could work well. Now let's try some other statements. Move the pointer to the open statement. You can find the detailed documentation. And the folding feature also could work. You can see the editing experience is the same with the local VS Code, but there is no need to install any applications to your machine. Just open the browser and start coding. That's very convenient. This is all for the early preview of Rocket MV Basic for Visual Studio. We look forward to hearing your feedback and suggestions. Please contact us if you are interested in participating in a beta program. Here is the registration link for the beta program. We look forward to your participation. Thank you.